If you are the one who always takes suggestion from your friends, from seniors, from colleagues, and get disappointed once you don't get any suggestion from anyone, you must watch this video. So there was a guy called Rohan in a village, and he was living with his poor dad. So one day early morning, Rohan woke up and he was very much disappointed. He went to his father and said, "Dad, I want to become a good person, successful person in my life. I want to achieve a lot of things in my life. But I am not getting any suggestion from anyone. So can you please suggest me, how can I do?" I approached to Nilesh, my friends. I approached to a lot of friends, but no one is suggesting me what I can do in my life. Poor dad said, "Yes, Rohan, definitely I can help you out in this. I'll tell you who can suggest you the best to become a successful person in your life. So before that, can you just do me one thing for me? It's been long I was waiting to have a good mangoes from our own garden. I'm not able to go because I'm dying on the bed. So can you please take your friend Nilesh to the garden today and get a good mangoes for me?" Rohan said, that's not a big deal. I can do it easily now. Yeah, I'll get a mango for you today. So that said, let's speak to Nilesh now. Go to the garden, get a good mangoes for me, and by evening I'll tell you the right person who can suggest you, who can guide you properly how to become a successful person in your life. But yes, Rohan, one thing you need to do once you're going to the garden to get a good mangoes for me, you can have around entire garden. You can check one by one in each tree for the good mangoes, but you cannot return back to the tree what you are living while you are browsing for the mango. Rohan said, "Okay, I can do it." So Rohan spoke to his friend Nilesh and they went together to the garden. Once they was looking for a good mangoes, big mangoes for the garden. After browsing 2 to 3 trees, Rohan got a good mango and he wanted to pick it up. But suddenly Nilesh said, "Rohan, don't take these mangoes. There are a lot of trees are there. We can have a round and we definitely get a good mango in the garden. So don't take it." After listening to Nilesh, Rohan left this tree. Then again they started browsing another tree for a good mangoes. Likewise, they roamed entire garden. Just before it finished the garden, before 2-3 trees, they got good mango again. And Rohan just yet to pick it up. Nilesh again said, "Don't take it. We have 3 more trees to check, and I'm sure we'll get a good mango from that tree." After listening to Nilesh, Rohan did not pick up anything. Then they went to the next tree and finally they could not find a good mangoes from this tree. After entire day searching mangoes in the garden, Rohan could not find a good mangoes after listening Nilesh. Rohan was very much disappointed. He went to home by evening. He approached to his dad and said, "Sorry dad, I was not able to get a good mango." Then he started saying entire details to his dad. After listening entire scenario, his dad said, "See Rohan, that is what I just wanted to tell you. If you keep on listening to your friends, to other person, you cannot success in your life. You are the creator in your life. You know better what you can do best in your life. So stop listening to your friends, to others. If you want to do anything, what you need to do is, if you think that you are the right, what you are going to do it, and that will give a good career in your life. You can become a successful person in your life. You should not approach to any of your friends for the suggestion. You think you can do it and you are the creator of it. You can get it done." So same thing happens in our life as well. We find a lot of our goals. We want to do a lot of things, but while we approach to other person, to a friend, after getting their suggestion, we don't initiate this in our life. We keep on waiting for the next opportunity. Hence, we stuck to get success in our life. So guys, if you think that whatever you are thinking, whatever you want to do in your life, and that will give a good response, good career in your life, you can become a successful person in your life, then stop asking to your friends or to other person. Do it by yourself. You would see you can get best result in your life. That's all for this video, guys.